Welcome to another episode of the Christina Chronicles. I'm Stephanie. Today we have a special guest, my husband Josh, and it's Thanksgiving. Today we are going to be doing a review on the Breville Smart Oven Air that we just purchased. So we're going to be roasting a whole 14-pound turkey.
14.06 to be exact. The company says they can roast a 14-pound turkey in that toaster oven or smart oven. So we're going to test it out today and see how it turns out for our Thanksgiving dinner.
Let's get started.
So we're going to be selecting the roast function. We're going to set it to 325 degrees, and that'll be for 2 hours. There we go. Now we just hit the start button. Everything's gonna turn red, and it's preheating now. So once it's ready to go, we'll add the turkey. We put it on level 8, so it's on the slow cook rack, which gives us enough space for the 14-pound turkey to fit in there.
The oven has preheated, and it was super fast, maybe less than like 5 minutes. So turkey's ready to go in.
All right, we'll go ahead and open it up. Put the turkey in. Here we go. All right, see if it fits.
Does it fit?
Oh yeah, she fits. That looks good. I like it. All right, we'll let it cook. The timer starts automatically as soon as it preheats, so we're gonna reset it to 2 minutes, or excuse me, 2 hours. All right, there we go. So it's cooking now. They do recommend rotating the pan halfway through cooking, so we'll do that. Well, you can already see the butter starting to melt off of the turkey. Yeah. That's nice.
All right, so we'll check in about halfway through with you guys. Okay, it's been 2 hours. I totally forgot to film halfway through, but it wasn't anything exciting. We just turned it and added some more butter on the skin, but it looks really good. So it is time to take this out.
We went ahead and did a temperature check, and it's cooked thoroughly through. We're now going to take it out, cover it in foil, and let it rest for about 30 minutes while the rest of the stuff finishes cooking.
Looks pretty good. We'll get back to you for the final taste test.
All right, everyone, the turkey has finished resting a little more than 30 minutes, but it's still very warm. Excited to get in and see how this breast meat looks. So we're gonna go ahead and start carving this thing up. We've got a few other things cooking, and then we're gonna be ready to enjoy our Thanksgiving dinner.
So just from looking at it, it looks like how it normally looks.
Delicious turkey is what it looks like.
Because we normally bake it in the oven in a bag, so that was the only difference is it wasn't bagged this time. Is that what it's called, a turkey bag? Yeah, it's just a bag that seals in the juices when it's cooking in the oven. Yeah, so I was just a little bit concerned, like maybe it'll be dried out, but we'll find out.
Yeah, so the skin is nice and crispy. The Smart Fryer did a very good job of that. So we'll go ahead, and that was our dog, one of 3. And the meat looks nice and juicy. So we'll go ahead and
taste test. Taste test.
You want to try it, Aiden?
Here's Aiden. He's going to do a little taste
All right,
test.
no skin. You get to try first.
Okay.
Tell us what you think.
What do you think? Is it good?
Mm-hmm. Is that what you said?
All right. Does it need gravy? Just like that's good? All right.
All right, Mommy. You get a big chunk of skin with yours. So that's some good, juicy white meat right there.
It's not dry.
We did a saltwater brine overnight, and then you want some more? Then washed it off before we put it in the oven. That's it. A little butter, salt, and pepper. There's some vegetables in the cavity there, and that's it. I mean, this is really good turkey. So
yeah,
10 out of 10.
Yeah, I would say
It's really. I'm surprised how juicy.
how well it worked out.
For sure.
Yeah, let's get.
All right.
It's really juicy.
All right, I think it's time for us to eat.
I would say success. Roasting a 14-pound turkey.
I'd cook another one in the Breville. Okay.
Any cons, pros, or anything you want to mention?
No. I think it did a pretty good job by itself. The pan.
The pan that it comes with.
Slightly small or shallow for a 14-pound. But I mean, a
saw
14-pound turkey
carrots in
is a big turkey to go into a toaster oven anyway. So it takes up its full capacity, if you will.
I see carrots in there.
Yes,
Yeah,
there are
carrots.
carrots. So it did take up. We had a little bit on one of the wings that was dripping over the edge. But I repositioned it, and then it was fine. All the drippings are in there. We actually took the drippings and put them in our gravy and stuffing. So that's going to be delicious. Love it. It turned out really well. 2 hours cook time. What, 5 minutes,
5 minutes
to warm up?
Reheating, 2 hours
really
cook time. So
quite fast for a turkey this size. So,
yeah.
And the temperature, we used a thermometer, did a temperature check on the meat, and it was perfect where it needed to be. So, yeah, I'd recommend it. We'll probably cook another turkey or
something else.
chicken or duck or something.
You will
so
definitely see the Breville show up again in future videos.
You want more?
You want to say Happy Thanksgiving?
No.
Okay, you want to say bye?
No.
You want to say subscribe to my channel?
No.
Do you want to eat some turkey?
Yes.
Well, I think that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful to you. If you were looking into getting the Breville Smart Oven Air, Smart Air Oven, what is it called?
The Breville Smart Oven Air.
I hope this was helpful to you guys if you were looking into getting the Breville Smart Air.
Smart.
Smart Oven Air. Smart Air.
Nailed it. Okay, stop talking.
Alright.
This is really juicy.
We'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for joining our cucina. See ya.